Hello everyone, enthusiasts of large, powerful, and practical vehicles. We will explore the advancements in freight transport technology and the challenges posed to engineers and designers. Let's begin this journey together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any content. These are the heavy tasks that I seriously call heavy hauling. That engine compartment looks like it could hold a small car, weighing up to 390,000 pounds, equivalent to stacking 100 SUVs on top of each other. That excavator operates like his third arm, impressively maneuvering. Commendable driving skills by this driver. You cannot deny the intelligence of China. Let's build a wonderful world together. In this situation, what should you do? Oh no, another truck stuck. The driver looks puzzled. Hopefully the truck will be rescued soon, or else the owner will penalize him. Installing offshore wind turbine blades is also a major challenge. Transporting wind turbine blades is a major challenge due to their length, especially when the weather is unfavorable. This requires special skills and finesse from engineers. A mining dump truck with its large size and weight requires careful planning. This makes transportation more efficient and contributes to the productivity of the construction site. The truck descends carefully and slowly, ensuring everyone's safety. Even during transportation through curves, accidents like this cannot be avoided. Fortunately, the rescue team arrived just in time. The entire street is stopped to watch, turning the road into an unintended traffic jam party. Do you like this truck? If yes, please comment number 1. Wow, it's truly a masterpiece between heaven and earth. That KTC Manwoo 33 excavator is amazing, watching it move on the ground effortlessly. The truck, carrying a heavy load with steadiness and care, leaves the station, beginning the challenging journey ahead. I have always dreamed of having the opportunity to operate heavy machinery like the CAT 6015. The power and precision of these machines are a great inspiration to me. It's truly impressive to see them perform efficiently under the most challenging conditions on Earth. The heavy truck is stuck in the mud. This car is like a superhero. A car transformed into a canoe, creating a great invention that allows vehicles to move both on land and underwater. The moon rocket heads towards Berghausen and Mark T0 with a driver controlling an extraordinary convoy. What a beautiful sight. After the launch, what happens next to the ship? That driver should immediately sign up for an intensive driving course. Hopefully, the purpose of this wheel isn't to crush everything in its path.